For TraderInsight.com, I'm Julie Manns, and this is the Unfinished Business Trade Ideas Report for Wednesday, December 14th. We have 4 ideas for tomorrow that I'm going to share with you. They're all to the short side. Adrian had a great plan for today in our trading room. 3 of the planned stocks went to their target and 1 did not. We're going to look at that last. A couple of the other trade ideas he has on his plan every night also are really set up to trigger again tomorrow. So I'm going to share those with you first. So the first one we're going to look at here is DRQ. On the left, you have the 5-minute chart, and the right is the daily. You can see on the daily, which is a lot of what I target, he chose this stock for today's plan because it was in the lower part of its range, closed down there. And I'm going to also be looking to see if this won't close in the lower part of its range. Here on the 5-minute chart, you can see that it did try and push higher up into these levels and then trade lower. So this is the low of the day, and I'm going to be watching that tonight. So as always, I give you a little bit of homework and look to see if this is in the bottom of its range. Next, we have Ralph Lauren. This is at the top of my list for tomorrow. So it looks like it's closing in the bottom of its range. Again, check that. And you can see on the 5-minute chart how it did gap higher, traded against resistance. And there was resistance yesterday at that same level. And it looks like it's closing down here. So Ralph Lauren, another trade idea for tomorrow. And finally, A, which is Agilent Technologies, did really a lot of volume today. And you can see the zigzag pattern it made. Wow, what a nice way to scalp. If you had that Adrian's trading plan in hand, you could have had a look at that and seen an idea for scalping that today. Anyway, for tomorrow, it looks like right now it's in the middle of its range. If it closes toward the bottom, like it did yesterday, as you see on this chart here, I'll be looking for that one. Now, the final one to look at, and again, you have to see if it's going to close lower, is BAH. It doesn't really look like it wants to on your 5-minute chart. It's really hugging onto this pivot, but you never know what happens end of day, so keep that in mind as well. We want to thank everyone who was in our trading room on a trial. You can always go and check on that too and see if you want to join us in our room, see these things traded live. We also have a boot camp coming up in Orlando, Florida. So you can go to our website and have a look at that under the events tab. I hope everyone is having a great trading day and has another great one tomorrow. Thanks.